My name is Gautam. I am based out of Ahmedabad. We started this journey in 2017. Prior to that, I was working in a corporate life, a pure sales guy, have no background in finance whatsoever. Personally, I've been investing since 2007-8 when Satyam crash happened. I was in Delhi University doing my graduation that time, and a shopkeeper used to do this every day. So I used to sit with him half an hour trying to understand what happens, and that is how I started my journey. When I was starting this, I went to a couple of my friends and asked them whether they will give me about 2,500 rupees SIP to start my business with, and of course we all started working that time. So they happily said yes, and that is how I started my journey as a mutual fund distributor. So we have been associated with Prudent since 2017 when we decided to do this business. But we have known Prudent since 2008-9 when they were managing investments for us, they and their team. And when I was starting this business, it was a no-brainer for us to get associated with them, having seen their ecosystem, the technology, the support system. And Prudent was still in their initial stage when they were growing, and they had limited access to a lot of things. And we have seen their journey, and we have been so fortunate to be part of the journey with them. In our last 9 years, we've been managing close to 500 clients today with an AUM of 300 crores with an SIP book of 3 crores. And I genuinely believe that if I did not have the support system of Prudent, I don't think I would have reached here. मुझे एक दोस्त से एक रेफरल आया उसके भाई का कि यार उसकी SIP शुरू करनी है. I got his number at about 11:30 AM. I spoke to him. We explained the entire financial planning and everything which is there. At about 12:30, he gave me his PAN card. By 2, his SIP was done. That is how fast the turnaround has become. Like from talking to him to actually starting his SIP and getting it done, he was amazed. I was amazed at how fast things have become. That is the main feature of today's technology which Prudent has given us access to. So as far as business strategy is concerned, we have divided in 3 things. 10% is our client's role, where we have to manage panic, greed, basically 2 emotions जिसमें उनका आता है, पूरे सबके आते हैं. 10% is our role, in which asset allocation, product selection, when are we entering, this, good fund, best fund, सब आ जाता है. And rest 80% is actually time, because if we give time, most of those variables in the news and uncertainties get solved. End of the day, the solution to everything is time. 10% our role, 10% client's role. As a combination, this becomes a recipe for success for us. Since day one, we have been very clear that client retention is very important for us. Amongst the 500 odd clients we manage, we have a very different profile of clients. We have some cricketers, stand-up guys, entrepreneurs, lawyers, lot of lawyers, and for us it has been a very simple motto that more than client acquisition, we focus on client retention, because a happy client would give you references, and that references will get converted because there's a trust in between, and when that happens, your business grows much faster, and it stays longer. So we genuinely believe that the power of follow-up is very underrated in our business model. So I had this reference in 2018 from a client. I remember I had followed up for good 18 odd months, and eventually she converted. She did not give up, and she responded after 18-19 months, and we started her journey. Ever since that, in the last 6 odd years, she has referred us almost 40-45 of her friends and network, and I've never met her. So that is the power of good, appropriate follow-up. We have to have a fine definition and tuning on how do we do that, but the power of follow-up is very important in our business. The journey is always going to be very volatile. Reaching the first 100 crores or reaching the first 100 clients, या फिर क्लाइंट के पोर्टफोलियो का पहला करोड़, ये बहुत स्पेशल होता है, एंड दिस टेक्स टाइम, बिकॉज इनिशियल पीरियड इज़ वेरी चॉपी, बहुत चीज़ें होती रहेगी, मार्केट्स विल रिएक्ट. सो यू हैव टू कीप डूइंग योर गुड वर्क, बनाते रहो, करते रहो, क्लाइंट को संभाल के रखो, खुद की नॉलेज अपग्रेड करते रहिए, एसेट एलोकेशन मेंटेन करो, एंड वंस यू क्रॉस दैट जर्नी, इट्स अ डिफरेंट कंपाउंडिंग मशीन फॉर एवरीबडी, फॉर क्लाइंट, फॉर यू, एंड इट्स अ विन विन मॉडल. देन एक बार आपने एक बेस फाउंडेशन खुद का और एक क्लाइंट के पोर्टफोलियो का बना दिया, compounding works very well for all of you. For us, team has played a very important role. शुरू में जब मैंने शुरू किया था तब तक लगता था ये एक unnecessary expense है, पर gradually as business increases, your size increases, your clients increases, इतने products है, इतने compliance है, NRIs है, product gift cities आ रहा है, SIF है, there is so much to do. एक जना वो नहीं कर सकता है. So for us, team and infrastructure has really helped create a different level of dedication and commitment which has really helped us grow our business. जो भी एडवाइजर्स लास्ट 6 महीने साल भर पहले इस बिज़नेस में आए हैं, हमारी लर्निंग्स में से कुछ एक चीज़ें, ये जो बिज़नेस मॉडल है हमारा म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का, बेसिकली एक एन्युटी मॉडल है विच इज़ अ वेरी रेयर कॉम्बिनेशन. इसमें आप मेहनत करते रहो, क्लाइंट पे फोकस करो, हमेशा इंश्योर कि क्लाइंट की नीड्स पहले फोकस हो, फिर आपका देखो क्लाइंट का सोचोगे, आपका बिजनेस बनता रहेगा, बढ़ता रहेगा, चलता रहेगा. इट्स अ वेरी गुड बिजनेस मॉडल. शुरू की जर्नी थोड़ी टफ हो सकती है, बट वंस द सेटअप इज़ डन, इट इज़ कंपाउंडिंग एट अ डिफरेंट लेवल. लाइफ में एक बहुत फ़नी चीज़ हुई है. अब मैं स्कूल था, मैं बोर्डिंग स्कूल गया था अहमदाबाद के अर्थक्वेक के बाद 2007. 9th क्लास में ICSE बोर्ड में ऑप्शन था सब्जेक्ट चूज़ करने का, तो मैंने मैथ्स छोड़ दी थी. मुझे नंबर्स पसंद ही नहीं थे, ना साइंस ना मैथ्स. अपने इकोनॉमिक्स बिजनेस स्टडी समझ आती थी. और आज की डेट पे 24 घंटे में नंबर्स बात करता हूँ मैं. नंबर्स इज़ अ लैंग्वेज फॉर मी नाउ. So this is what happens when you're passionate about something. It just meant to happen and it has happened, and I'm so proud. So passion is very important along with dedication and commitment in this business. So हमारे बिजनेस में 4 कॉम्बिनेशंस एक बन गई है. डायरेक्ट वर्सेस रेगुलर, एक्टिव वर्सेस पैसिव. कोई सही आंसर नहीं है, किसी को नहीं पता इंडेक्स बेटर है या एक्टिव फंड बेटर है. But as a combination of active plus passive is somewhere which is a victory for everybody. Clients खुश है because low cost indexes है जहाँ शायद वो better भी कर रहे हैं, especially large cap की तरफ जो है. जहाँ मिड कैप, स्मॉल कैप, कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सेक्टर फंड्स आ जाते हैं, थीमेटिक आता है, वहाँ आज भी एक्टिव की ज़रूरत है. तो एज अ कॉम्बिनेशन वी शुड वर्क फॉरवर्ड ताकि ये बिजनेस मॉडल भी ठीक चलता रहे, क्लाइंट के लिए भी ये कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव रहे और आपके लिए भी ये मॉडल बेटर रहे. One word won't justify what prudent means to us, but Sanjay sir's vision, Suresh sir's commitment, and the entire team's hard work, and we'll reach new heights together as partners, as team, and as prudent.